with the Exciter once again. Caleb went ahead and put slides on the suspension in the rear. Had that all out. He actually lubed up the wheels. They actually spin quite freely. We got the track alignment done. Chain case. I might be able to put that clip of that chain case fluid in there. It's sick.
Well, I'd say she's good for a couple thousand miles yet before we need to change the fluid. Let's just put her back together.
It was bad.
I would say, though, that you could probably run it for a while.
Oh, yeah.
I don't understand why it bogged at all. Either.
No. New belt. New used belt. That's much better. We got to put the doghouse on, the tether switch hooked in, yada, yada. Some of the fuel lines we got off, and oh, boy, it was a great time. Disconnected the tachometer. The oil pump has been bypassed. We got the clutch off. We Scotch-Brighted the clutch. Oh, I found some hardware down here. I should pick these bolts up for the oil pump. Yeah, for the next guy that has to deal with it. Put it in our little jar of stuff over here. The seat is still not attached fully. We're going to wait until we get the lube system and all that done. The oil bottle, we got all the oil out, all the lines off. It's just chilling here. Put a new line for the fuel level sensor and just going to tuck that in the window when that shroud goes back on. Did some disgusting sins to that top grommet. We won't look at that too closely. The hood is in such good shape, guys, we might still have to swap that out for a rattier hood. Mark's got his juice bottle.
Juice.
Nice, nice. As long as you can still disconnect it, though, buddy.
Yep, right here.
Oh, no emergencies. Just pull the whole harness off, dude, in that emergency.
Yeah.
Just for testing purposes. We adjusted the brakes. Tightened the chain in the chain case, of course, when we had it apart. Put new fluid in. Bent the one ski back a little bit we'll say a little bit closer to the other one. And now it's about time to start it back up again. And then our first test hit of this thing since we've owned it. It's on a screw jack for now. We're gonna warm it up a little bit, see what it does, and hopefully it starts. What's that?
That's for the oil pump.
Oh, for the oil pump? Yeah.
Good.
So we got her vacuumed out even too. We did. Oh, might have to keep it going a bit. The jack's doing the dance. So many rip-ups it can't even hang on.
It's that mild cam we got in it.
We even put bolts back in the shroud and new plugs. New spark plugs. Check for that crank seal again now. On the track, look. Oh yeah, that looks good. Yeah, it looks real good. I realize, guys, why it's hard to get a tank that doesn't have a broken bottom nipple. Because they're hard as a carp, and if you're not careful.
Yeah, we did surgery.
Yeah, we had some open heart. One tip that I will tell you guys to prevent these oil bottles from cracking, never tighten this top bar too tight. It has these locking tabs so you don't have to bonsai them. I know, he just got the gerjuzel all over the seat.
Yeah, he just gerjuzel.
I can't believe all the lights work and everything on it, too.
Yeah, I know.
It's crazy. So we kept the cable for the tachometer. We just tucked it down in the side here, so it's still somewhat there with us in spirit. And then, like I said, a new used belt from one of our race sleds. Other than that, I think it just needs to get opened up a bit, you know, just to test it out. And
Make sure she rips.
See what happens. It's snowing really bad out here, and it's got quite a bit of snow. So, alrighty, guys, we're gonna see what happens first time taking this thing out. And he's off. What are your thoughts, buddy? You think he's gonna make her back?
Oh yeah, I mean, she'll be good. Japan.
Dude, you can just see the snowflakes accumulating on your hat brim and your hood. Like, it's bad. Even the John Mar's covered in snow. Oh, he unloaded. I could hear him. Hear him yipping it. Give her heck, bud.
Tell you, that thing hooks up, she's going.
The thing's pretty wicked.
It's got some juice.
Very fast.
The old Exciter that good. Just burying her.
The seat's a little loose.
Oh yeah, I was gonna tell him like, be careful with the. This guy's just having so much fun right now.
Oh, he just buried himself with snow.
What do you think, doing? When it hooks up, dude, it's got some pepper.
I really wheelied out of it.
And then when you let off, it just. All right, take her up. that's nice. Get some spreaders. Ooh. That thing's gonna be fast,
thing's
dude.
sweet.
It handles nice, too.
Smooth steering too.
I mean, we gotta weld up the bars at the least, but I almost like the bars.
They're not
I
bad.
don't know. The brakes work good, too.
I can hardly hear it running. It's so quiet.
And dude, it was so quiet. All you hear is the like all you hear is like the fan whine, pretty much.
Oh yeah. Well, that thing is freaking awesome, dude.
Well, she's tested out. I think so.
Finish her up.
Yep, I'd say it's worthy.
Some studs, some spreaders, and some bites.
High engagement spring. Shim it.
Maybe. I don't know. I think she's got enough pepper off the line as is.
Yeah,
I
it's
think
not
it'll
bad.
hook up better actually if you don't rev it up.
Not bad. Classic Yamaha. If you guys enjoy us riding these old Yamahas, make sure you leave a like on the video. We'll keep them coming. We'll get that snow jet built next with an Exciter motor in it. So